Hello everyone. Today we will take a look at DIY proof of concept project automatic daily meal reminder system which is published on electronicsforyou.com. The link to the project is in the description of this video. Eating on time is very important to stay healthy, but today many people forget to eat because of their busy lives. Today's DIY project is a smart system that reminds you when to eat, helps you follow a routine, and even tells your parents that you're doing fine. This project can be developed by embedded systems engineers, electronics or electrical engineering students, and hobbyists. It suits final year engineering students as a practical academic project and is also suitable for DIY enthusiasts interested in real-world health-focused automation. Let's see the demonstration first. This is our setup. You can set your schedule or your meal plan by pressing this button. Now, at the set timing, the buzzer will blow as an indicator. You can see the lunch displayed on the LCD display. Amazing, right? But how to make this? You can make this with very few components. Let's take a look. Arduino UNO is the main part that controls everything. It checks the time, turns on the alarm, and sends a message to parents. The RTC3231 clock module keeps the correct time, even if the power goes off. It makes sure the alarm rings at the right time. SIM900A or SIM800L GSM module sends a text message to parents when the student eats on time. It works using a mobile SIM card. A 16:2 LCD I2C display shows the current time and meal names. It uses only 2 wires, so the setup is easy. The buzzer makes a sound when it's time to eat. It reminds the student. The LED lights up with the buzzer. It gives a light signal along with sound. The resistor protects the LED from too much electricity. 12-volt, 2-ampere adapter gives power to all the parts, especially the GSM module, which needs more power. Push buttons help the student choose the meal plan and stop the alarm after eating. Apart from these, a breadboard and a few jumper wires are used. To assemble the circuit, follow the circuit diagram. Arrange all the components, including the Arduino UNO, clock module, GSM module, LCD display, buzzer, LED, resistor, and push button on the breadboard. Follow the circuit diagram to assemble the circuit. Once the circuit is assembled, we will write code on Arduino IDE for Arduino UNO. This is our code. First, initialize a few header files. Then define the pins to which the external peripherals, like buttons, LED, LCD, are connected. In the setup function, define the input-output mode of the external peripherals and clear the LCD. In the infinite loop, keep on checking which button is pressed and make Arduino perform the tasks accordingly. If the reset switch is pressed, the alarm turns off and a message is sent to the mobile that the schedule is followed. Now select the correct port and board to upload the code. Turn on the power supply and select a meal plan by pressing a button. You can hear the buzzer blow and a message is displayed on the LCD at a saved time. Voila, it works. So, what did you learn? Understood how to show real-time clock data using the RTC module. How to create reminders that work based on specific times of the day. How to send SMS messages from Arduino using the GSM module. Interested in developing your own automatic daily meal reminder system? Kindly click on the link provided in the description of this video. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.